Alright, this is just something fun. When we got married back in 1944, we board that silver liner below Baltimore. Trip to Virginia on a sunny honeymoon. Nobody cares about the railroads anymore. We tip the porter for a place of our own, then send a postcard to your mom and dad back home. Did something to you when you hear that all aboard? Nobody cares about the railroads anymore. Ooh-wee, 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 ooh-wee. We had a daughter and you ought to see her now. She has a boyfriend who looks just like my gal Sal. And when they're married, they won't need us anymore. They'll board an aeroplane and fly away from Baltimore. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. When we got married back in 1944, we board that silver liner below Baltimore. Trip to Virginia on a sunny honeymoon. Nobody cares about the railroads anymore.